tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so
Ay, start na pala. Hi B, kumusta? First of all, I would like to say happy second anniversary. Kumusta naman ka? By the way, wala na lang ako nagsulat kasi gusto ko na wala lang, video lang para maiba naman. Ito, style mo. Burning love, this. Klaro, paligtay. So first, okay. Ito yung computer namin. Tapos, ito minsan ako gumagawa ng project ano lang, maglalaro. Tapos, ito yung projector namin. Sikat namin ako. Ganda na classroom namin. So, kita mo to? Ito yung ginawa ko. Ikaw to, kita mo. Tapos, yan. Ganun talaga ni Palikpik ng video Hi, happy second anniversary. So, I didn't expect na aabot pala tayo ng 2 years. By the way, thank you so much. What? Oh,
2 years!
Sigurado. Ito, siguro nabasa mo na kasi may nagpatulong ako ng mga tao eh. Mabasahin mo ba? Happy second anniversary. Just an ordinary song, a special girl like you, from a simple guy that's so in love with you. Yun yung intro. Remember that song? Our favorite song, our love song, Ordinary Song. Later, I will sing that song. By the way, bago namin i-cut yung video, ipapakita ko muna yung classroom namin para makita mo naman kung anong formation ng classroom namin. So, ito yung classroom namin. So, fourth side or left side, then right side. So, ditong banda ako nakaupo. Ito, sinulatan. Tapos, ito yung kantang binalod ko. Marry Your Daughter, tapos Ordinary Song, tapos God Gave Me You, Heaven, tsaka Beautiful in My Eyes. So dito ka nakaupo. Tapos, ito yung sitla namin. Ito yung mga gwapong mga classmates ko. Pasensya na kanan. Tagalog ako kasi sanay ako. Medyo iwan ko mag-Bisaya. Pero mag-Bisaya lang ako nun. So, ito ako. I-zoom natin yan. Zoom. Yan. Yan ako. So, ito ako. Tapos, yung cameraman, si Palikpik. Ito.
Wag na. Uy, wag na. Nakakaya na.
Close friend ko na to. Tapos, yun. Once again, happy second anniversary. Tapos, mamaya, kakanta ko mamaya ng, favorite song mo. Yung Ordinary Song. Hindi lang pala sa'yo. Ating mga dalawa. Tsaka, yeah. Ito pala. Ito na, ito. Yan. Yan yung medal ko. Yung pandan. Di ba? Still remember, hindi ka naniwala na nag-isay ka na ako. Ito yung medal ko. Tapos ito yung card. Ito yung, di ba? Second place. Klaro? Okay. Parang yung picture. So, okay. I know na this week pala yung examination week. So, good luck with. Tapos, galingan mo I miss you so much. How many days na lang? October 9 ngayon, no? Tapos, October 9. So, 5 days more to go. Kita na tayo. Okay? Miss you. See you soon. Tapos, thank you para sa scrapbook. Nakita mo yung balik-balik? Oo, kita niya. So, lahat ng klase ko, nakita yun. Thank you. And never expect na mapapadala ka pala ng scrapbook. Napaganda pa naman. Okay. Cut. By the way, again, happy second anniversary. Miss you, love you. Ako karon sa Sikatuna Land, so this is the Sikatuna Land where we have the purpose-driven life. So this is the musical instrument. So drummer, guitar, then keyboard, feedback. Yan yung Sikatuna Land. So I'm here in Sikatuna Land to sing a song dedicated for you. So the first song will be an ordinary song. The ordinary song. So this song is dedicated for you for our anniversary. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Ordinary song, special girl like you, from a simple guy that's so Ivy, good noon. Sorry kayo kay dugay ko ka ano sa imong call. But actually, igan pa mi og sikat na lang sa PDL kasi ano, nag-record mi og kanang kanta. Atong among gi-record nga kanta atong God Give Me You og Heaven. So, mo to siya. Then medyo nadugay ko kay nag-record pa mi sa kanta na i-cut mga bloopers then anyway. This is a continuation of what we did last night. Okay, running out of time na, so I decided to continue this afternoon. So actually, gana sila sa Miss Hall, nangaano sila. And then, ano siya again, happy second anniversary. Thank you so much for everything, love, care. And then, by the way, pasensya na kayo sa aking gift. Simple gift. Like a t-shirt. Where's my t-shirt? Like this. So we have the same t-shirt. This is from Basnig Bluefin. So I hope na ay gunin mo ang imong t-shirt na akong ihatag. So dito mga tungkuan na not our kanang t-shirt yun. I will print ako para sa atong duha. I just give you that as a remembrance for our intramural. So ayun na ganahan ka sa akong yata na t-shirt. Then sa frame, ako dito sa ato bala. Sorry guys sa mga, I don't know, I didn't check the grammars. Sa ikaw na ito, wala pasensya sa mga grammars. And then, by the way sa flowers, oh yeah, 24 flowers. So, that 24 flowers represent, symbolize the 24 months na relationship. Ano siya, gusto nyo ba kayo ubi ka itong sa flower mat siya nakuha na ako kada in every month until I got 24 flowers. So I hope that nagustuhan mo rin yung bouquet composed of 24 flowers. Then di ba you told me na you are more excited on October 15 than October 9. But for me naman sa akong side is that akong side I am more excited in October 9 than October 15 because muna siya akong prepare na mga surprise. I hope na you will forgive me for those things akong nabuhat ng mga sayot. And sorry for sometimes I made you cry. And thank you so much sa pagsagot, pag-understand, most especially in my attitude sometimes. And I hope that there will be more monthlies to come and anniversaries to come. I hope that this relationship will never end. Then, I love you and I miss you so much. By the way, before I will end this video, I would like to thank those my friends who helped me in order for this video to be a success. Then, like Agent Olivar, ang cameraman, ay Olivar na video around. Then si Pearl, ang akong pangayawag number sa mga first year like ni Caro, ni Lido. Then si Lido sa Garbo, thank you also for giving the number of Agent Pitogo in order for me to contact with Pitogo para si Pitogo mo ay mukha sa kwarta kaya siya may awing pagdadaan sa LBC. Then of course sa Pitogo, then ang Caro, of course my right, ang akong assistant, may akong gusto pagpahatag sa mga gift like the bouquet and all those things, the frame, siya ang akong gagay, siya may magsaligan, diba? Then mato siya, then also sa Pitogo ay siya may ma-upload ng video para ihatag sa inyo. I hope na nagustuhan mo yung video. Sensya kayo kaganina sa pagkanta, medyo wala na akong boses kasi sige lang singit-singit sa PDL. And mato siya, see you soon on October 15. I love you so much once again. Happy anniversary and thank you. Regards na lang ko mo bali 2 weeks na lang. Mato siya. Thank you. I thank you also to Agent Kalikpek for allowing me to borrow his Digicam and laptop to edit my video. And also to Agent Miliatema. Thank you so much sa akong mga friends. I love you. I love you ganon. I love you, babe. Bye-bye. Then bigas dahil ko sa imong parents ng lahat. Bye-bye. Love you. Okay.
Like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates, but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Oh, her eyes make the stars look